So I paid like 15,000 to go to Charlie's mastermind. And on the second day, I walked out and skipped the whole last session. I told Luca to take notes.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I'm currently watching the pain confidence module, right? I didn't have questions about it, but I had questions about the whole, like, how am I gonna digest, not only digest the information, but put it to use in the most efficient way possible. For example, I know you said you don't take notes in the module, so I'm not taking any notes as much as I want to take notes. I'm not taking any, but I'm watching them. I'm taking in the knowledge. How could I digest it in the best possible way and just retain the information besides watching the modules
Yeah.
again? Yeah, that's the obvious
Hey,
one.
the only way to digest is action. When you watch something, you're eating it, but you digest it by doing it. So, for instance, this happened last night. Me and the guys went out and had a bunch of awful food. We ate it sitting there getting stuff, and then right after it, we went for a walk for like a mile. So it's like
Yeah,
eating happened, and then digesting was us freaking moving. And so that's why I tell you guys don't take notes because don't just stuff yourself. Nothing's
yeah,
gonna happen.
yeah,
But when you go out and start doing stuff, you start realizing, okay, now that food starts becoming energy to your body as you're moving.
yeah.
Um, so kind of a weird analogy, but you know,
No, I get that. I get that. The knowledge starts becoming like actionable thoughts in your mind that you're gonna use, something like that.
yeah. And the same thing applies with eating as it is with this stuff. You cannot eat 40,000 calories in one sitting. And that's what I feel like most people try to do, especially when they
Yeah,
join to a buffet like Cop Elite. It's like
yeah,
let me just get as fat as possible and like never do anything until I've eaten every food there is. That's not how real life works. It's a day thing.
yeah,
It's like you have a meal for like breakfast, you then go take action, you use that knowledge, then
yeah.
tomorrow you have another, little meal, you go and take more action. That's how
Got
it
it.
works, man. So I would say like this is gonna sound funny. So I paid like I think it was like 15,000 to go to Charlie's mastermind. Yeah, it was fifty
15K. Yeah.
thousand dollars to go to Charlie's mastermind. And on the second day, I walked out and skipped the whole last session. I told Luca to take notes, which
Why?
sounds crazy, but there's nothing else I could do, bro. I had literally 8 hours of Charlie Morgan yelling at me, and I had way too much to do. Like it was literally, I was full. I told him, I know it sounded stupid, but I was like, dude, I can't listen to another thing, or else I'm literally doing more damage than good. I was like, I have
Yeah.
way more action than I could possibly take right now. Let me go do that. And so I left. I went out and prayed for a minute because I was so overwhelmed, and then
Yeah.
I just started working.
If I didn't hear this, I would stuff myself even more because I don't know, I would feel like if I go take the action, I would miss out on what Charlie is talking about on the second day. So
Well, it pays to have a Luca. I just told him to take notes. They're also recorded, bro. So it's like I wasn't gonna miss anything. It's true, man.
appreciate you, KJ.
Yeah, no
Thank you, man.
problem, man. No problem.